Hi everybody, it's Lyn from LynzCraftzDesignz. Oh my gosh. Listen. No fish tank. So excited. I have got the HONEYPOT mold. It's actually in yellow. I went to, I mixed up my resin. I was letting it set for 30 minutes. I was gonna do those heart things. I was gonna do these. The hearts with the stickers in. And then the power went off. So, it didn't work too well. So I had to hurry up and use the resin. So I just had the HONEYPOT mold handy. So, this is a 2-color resin pour. It's yellow and a golden yellow. And I did put 2 different types of glitter in. So you might be able to see the yellow glitter and the orange. Sort of. It's sort of orange. It's not really orange. It's a gold, I think. Okay. Okay. Try to do it without breaking my fingernail. As if it would help. Telling you. That is from cleaning a laundry basket. Seriously. Come on. Oh, yes. I just love this lid. I'm not sure what it is. I love that scalloped edge. And this time I didn't quite feel it as full. And when it shrank, it did leave a little bitty ring that I'll have to sand. But I'm telling you, it's tiny. Okay, there's not much of the golden that I put on this because it was full of yellow. So you won't be able to see the 2-color difference quite as well on that. Okay. Ow. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay. Oh, I love it. It turned out so pretty. Now, when I poured this, like I said, I let the first bit of resin cure for 30 minutes first, alright? Then I poured it. Then, because the power had gone out, I didn't have any choice but to mix up another batch of resin and go ahead and pour it in. So there wasn't any wait time between the pourings, so they did kind of mix, even though I didn't help it along any. Oh, I like it. I like it. So cute. And a much honeyier color than the last one. This one was, it's still very pretty. But I'm in love with this one. Alright. Y'all, I'm seriously... I'm gonna attempt to do a honeybee vinyl cutout on my silhouette. Oh my gosh. I've already got a whole setup of spooky stuff to cut out. And I'm just too nervous to do it. I still can't believe I'm saying that. I'll conquer it for this, though. I want to do a honeybee. Alright. I'll be back when I get that cut out. Okay. My gosh, y'all. I'm sorry I didn't get any of it on camera. I was way too excited. I did it. I actually did this myself. I'm sorry, I know I sound really ridiculous right now, but it's smooth. Put a little honeycomb on the bottom that you can see from the top. Just thought that was so clever. I don't know why. I was gonna put a bee on the top, and it just kept looking too cartoony or something. I didn't like it. So, just bumbling around. And then it's got honeycomb on the bottom. I love it. And this is just some baker's twine that I used to wrap packages in, actually. Okay, next time I promise y'all. Now, I can't get the cutter on camera because it's just not a possibility, but I can do the weeding and stuff. And boy, this one was a challenge. I'm pretty sure there's still a stripe in the abdomen right there, but I wasn't even gonna attempt to try to find it. Okay, alright, so I know not much of a video, but it was a demolding. Anyway, so cute. I love that. I just love it. Alright, I'll be back with more, I promise. Bye for now.